Sithara, and welcome to my channel, Chat with Sithara. Today, we will be doing a video about blood falls. But before we move on, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so you'll know whenever we get another great video. In waterfalls usually being clear or blue colored that runs smoothly and maybe having some things in the way, like shards of ice, twigs, or boulders. Those are the usual waterfalls you see in photos and even cartoons. But if I told you that there's actually a waterfall in a blood red color, yes, blood red, the color of human blood in Antarctica, that would be unbelievable. But how? How is it this color? That's the mystery about this awesome waterfall. And this is why thousands of people want to go there too. We're going to solve the mystery today. And this story first started in the 1911s with a man named Griffin Taylor. Griffin Taylor worked as an anthropologist and a geographer. Geographer means someone who works with the earth. And they really know a lot about the earth, and they want to discover more mysteries. So that's why Griffin Taylor was walking in Antarctica when he spotted this mysterious and surprising blood red 5-story tall waterfall. And now this was really surprising to him because our Antarctica is mostly white. So after all of that white, then there's bright blood red. And that is really rare. A blood red waterfall in Antarctica. And that is also a pretty sight. And this waterfall is what's now known to be the famous Blood Falls. Anyway, he thought that the blood red color was made by algae, red algae in the lake. During experiments with a drill called ice mold, which melted the ice as it went through the Taylor Glacier, that they finally know how this red color was created. This story starts way back, and 5 million years ago, the Taylor Glacier, the glacier that was named after Griffin Taylor now, when it was moving, because glaciers all move, some slowly and some fast over a period of time, 5 million years ago, when the Taylor Glacier moved on the way, it trapped a small lake 400 meters beneath it. This lake wouldn't get any sunlight or oxygen, and it was in complete darkness. Imagine if you were under a freezing, hard, cold object, and you couldn't see sunlight, and you didn't have any more oxygen too, or food. And that, nobody could survive in that situation. And not even some of the toughest animals. And so, after some scientists did an investigation on this lake, they found out that this lake has high iron contents. That means that this lake is full of iron. And further research, they found something amazing. It's too good to be true, but it is true. 17 types of microorganisms are living and surviving perfectly in that lake. In such harsh environments, they can survive. And this was unbelievable to the people who discovered it. If the iron water, the iron lake, comes in contact with air, and because there's a fissure or hole at the side of the Taylor Glacier, so the blood can come through and be visible to people like normal waterfalls do. That means that it would get oxygen if it goes out of the glacier like so, like I just explained. Anyways, if it comes in contact with oxygen, it rusts. And because it rusts, it turns that deep red color. And this is an amazing thing to see. And if you want to go to the Blood Falls, you need special permission. You most likely won't get permission to go to the Blood Falls if you're not a scientist or a researcher trying to gather information, because Blood Falls is not a tourist spot. Like I said, it has high salt content. Well, that's all for today.